Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to GIA. In this video, we are going to show the Tajweed explanation method for rule number 1, the 3 types of special letters. And this lesson, this one is Tajweed explanation method, and manually teach a student and teacher, they are going to practice, and a student will learn this lesson all the way pillar 1, page number 15, the first lesson. So make sure you are watching this video, how to teach 3 types of special letters separately. Then you can apply this method, Tajweed explanation method, for rule 1, 3 types of special letters. Before I start, we must remember the 7 important Tajweed rule and explanation method. It will be different based on a student level, and there are 3 levels for students. Level 1, all the way beginner, a student who is learning with a spelling. Number 2, a student who able to recite without a spelling, but beginner is still. Number 3, a student who able to recite Quran with Tajweed, but is still Tajweed explanation method must follow and continue. They have to apply Tajweed explanation method, so they are not going to forget the rule, and they can confirm that they are applying Tajweed rule. So any Tajweed rule explanation, teacher must know level of a student, and based on that, teacher going to apply the method is for the student. Okay, let's start now. Rule 1, 3 types of special letters. Now, how to do the explanation, Tajweed explanation method? What is the Tajweed explanation method? For beginner, a student who is learning with a spelling. For example, this one we are going to do. A student learning how to do the short sound, Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma, and any special letter. When they're learning, if there are any special letters they see, or if any special letter appear, then a student has to apply this fixed method. For the beginner, I am talking. Like this one, Hamza, Fatha, A. Rule, teacher going to ask, rule, then the student going to answer, throat letter. You can say throat letter is easy, because Hamza, the letter name you have to say here, because Hamza is one of the 6 throat letters. Ain, Kasra, Ain. Teacher will ask again, rule. Student will say, this one also throat letter, because Ain is one of the 6 throat letters. A, Ain. A, Ain. Dha, Dhamma, Dhu. Rule, careful here. Some letter may have more than one rule. So how to say? We must know. Like this one, Dha, Dhamma, Dhu. Rule, full mouth and soft. Full mouth and soft, because Dha is one of the 7 plus 1 full mouth letters, and Dha is one of the 3 soft letters. Okay, so both, by using and word, we have to say both. If there is more than 2, even we can add full mouth, soft, and whatever else, like this. Okay, now A, I, Dhu, Kaf, Fatha, ka. There is no rule. So, a'idhuka. Again, a'idhuka. This is how to teach a student. The teacher must know. First, we are focusing a student able to say each letter very accurately. A'idhuka. Now, together, a'idhuka. Final, a'idhuka. Again, a'idhuka. Like this. Okay, this one for beginner who is learning with a spelling. For those students who are learning without a spelling, like they don't need to spell, they already know, but they're fixing again kind of from beginning with tajweed. So maybe they're learning without a spelling. So then the method name is letter by letter with rules without a spelling. Remember the method name. Letter by letter with rules without a spelling. How to do it? A student going to learn this word, for example, a rule throat letter, because Hamza is one of the 6 throat letters. I, rule throat letter, because Ain is one of 6 throat letters. Though. So see, a student just reading letter by letter, no spelling. Though, rule full mouth and soft letter, because the is one of the 3, because the is one of the 7 plus 1 full mouth letters and one of the 3 soft letters. Ha. Now again, a'idhuka. Together, a'idhuka. Final, a'idhuka. This is those students who are learning from beginning but without a spelling. Now, students, those who, mashallah, in advance, they're able to recite Quran with tajweed, but still they have to apply tajweed explanation, but it's faster one. So the method is they don't need to explain each and every letter. Teacher going to ask them from random place. Then a student has to answer. For example, teacher asking, okay, student Fatima, rules, though, what is rule? Then a student will answer full mouth and soft letter, because the is one of the 7 plus 1 full mouth letters and one of the 3 soft letters. So only the letter or place teacher asking, a student has to answer, not each and every. So advanced student, they are continuously going to recite. Then we have the fixed method for advanced student. If you see our syllabus, then you're going to understand. So every last 10 minutes, there is tajweed explanation. The 10 minutes, a student has to do tajweed explanation. During that time, teacher going to ask from random place, then they have to answer very shortly. Okay. So I hope all teachers and a student, they can apply this rule number 1, and anywhere in any place in the Quran, in Juz Amma or in the Qaida, while they are learning beginner student, they will be able to apply this rule and they know tajweed explanation method. Jazakumullahu ta'ala khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.